In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to learn Semrush in just 5 minutes. Whether you're an SEO enthusiast or a digital marketing professional, Semrush offers a range of courses to help you boost your skills. Let's dive right in and get started on this exciting journey to mastering Semrush. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you're comfortable using. Once you've got your browser up and running, it's time to head over to your search engine. In the search bar, type Semrush Academy and hit enter. Semrush Academy is an excellent resource for anyone looking to enhance their understanding of Semrush tools, offering a variety of courses that suit different knowledge levels and areas of interest. Once you see Semrush Academy in your search results, go ahead and click on the link. On the Semrush Academy page, you should look for an option that says Try for free or Start your free trial. This is your gateway to accessing their wealth of resources without any initial cost. Don't worry if the exact wording is slightly different, just look for something that indicates you're about to get hands-on with Semrush. Next comes the process of logging in or signing up. If you already have a Semrush account, simply log in. If not, you'll need to sign up, which typically requires providing some basic information like an email address and a password. Signing up is quick and straightforward, so it won't take more than a few minutes of your time. Now that you're logged in, it's time to enroll in a course. Semrush Academy categorizes their courses based on topics and proficiency levels, so you can choose what best fits your needs. Once you've chosen a course, begin with the video lessons. These lessons are designed to offer comprehensive insights into various Semrush features and how you can use them to your advantage. Alongside the videos, you'll find scripts and quizzes that are perfect for reinforcing your learning and ensuring you've understood the key concepts. Upon finishing a course, you'll have the opportunity to take an exam. Successfully passing this exam earns you a certificate. This certificate is a fantastic way to showcase your newfound skills. Once you have your certificate in hand, you can proudly share it on platforms like LinkedIn to let your professional network know about your achievement. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward guide to getting started with Semrush through their academy. Whether you're brushing up on your skills or just starting, these resources are invaluable in enhancing your digital marketing acumen. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.